हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा। आज हम चैप्टर 11 भगवद गीता एज इट इज द यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म का इंग्लिश रेसिटेशन करेंगे। पहले संस्कृत वर्सेस पढ़ते हैं, फिर इंग्लिश रेसिटेशन। फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है। अर्जुन रॉय, विपिन बलिया। हरे कृष्णा। For those of you who do not have a copy of Bhagavad Gita as it is, you can find it on vedabase.io. वहाँ जो सबसे पहली बुक है उस पर क्लिक करिए। प्लीज कम टू चैप्टर 11. As is our usual format, हम पहले प्रेयर्स ऑफर करेंगे, फिर चैप्टर 11 की रेसिटेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे। रानी हरे कृष्णा, करमजीत कौर, श्रीपर्णा, किरण लता, हरि बोल, आदित्य सिंह, आप सभी का स्वागत है। हेमा, योगी, आदित्य सिंह, रवि, हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा। आइए पहले हम प्रेयर्स ऑफर करें। नमो विष्णु प्रदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। डियर फ्रेंड्स, हम इस गीता जयंती के मंथ में पूरी भगवद गीता के 18 चैप्टर्स के रेसिटेशन कर रहे हैं। इस वक्त जो रेसिटेशन चल रहा है उसमें संस्कृत वर्सेस के साथ में इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन, और उसके साथ में मैं इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्सेस भी आइडेंटिफाई करती हूँ आप सबके बेनिफिट के लिए। हरे कृष्णा। सो प्लीज मार्क दोज वर्सेस। अब तक भगवान ने अर्जुन को सीक्वेंस में इंट्रोडक्टरी चैप्टर्स के बाद में पहले तो कॉन्फिडेंशियल नॉलेज बताई, फिर मोर कॉन्फिडेंशियल नॉलेज बताई, फिर मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंशियल नॉलेज चैप्टर 9 में बता दी, और उसके बाद में भगवान ने अपने डिवाइन ऑपुलेंसेस और मैनिफेस्टेशंस की नॉलेज अर्जुन को दी। इस भागवत गीता की रीडिंग से हमें क्या बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं मैं साथ साथ में शेयर करती जा रही हूँ। जैसा कि हमारे आचार्यस ने हमें बताया है, श्रीला प्रभुपाद ने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि जब कोई भगवान की भक्ति में एंगेज होता है थ्रू एनी ऑफ द 9 प्रोसेसेस ऑफ डिवोशनल सर्विस, इफ वी ट्राई टू एंगेज इन सर्विंग कृष्णा, वी टर्न टुवर्ड्स कृष्णा, then the contamination from our hearts and minds from millions and millions of lives are all cleared away. Our senses are purified. And then with little faith, with whatever faith we have, when we engage in sadhu sangha, association of devotees, and we develop the desire to chant the holy names of Bhagwan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That is when we start making spiritual advancement. We make our life perfect. We engage in devotional service, associating with pure devotees, and we take shelter of a guru in this process. गुरु जिन्होंने खुद सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन एक्सपीरियंस किया होता है वो हमें सही पाथ दिखा सकते हैं। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, भगवान ने अपनी एनर्जीज के बारे में अर्जुन को बताया, भगवान ने कर्म योग, ज्ञान योग, भक्ति योग के बारे में अर्जुन को बताया, और भगवान ने फिर परम गुह्य ज्ञान, मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंशियल नॉलेज, विच वॉज अबाउट एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सोल, a relationship between soul and Bhagwan, and characteristics of pure devotional service, the power and potency of bhakti, pure devotional service, उसके बारे में भगवान ने रिवील किया अर्जुन को. अर्जुन रिप्रेजेंट करता है हम सभी को. थ्रू अर्जुन we are getting the benefit of this knowledge. In this Kali age times, dear friends, chanting Bhagwan's holy names is the best and the simplest way to engage in bhakti. तो आइए अब हम फर्दर चैप्टर 11 पढ़ते हैं. और उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, भगवद गीता के बिगनिंग में टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स है. ये देखिए, टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स में पूरे भगवद गीता के चैप्टर्स की समरी दी हुई है. तो यहाँ पर देखिए, चैप्टर 11 की समरी में बताया गया है, Lord Krishna grants Arjun divine vision and reveals his spectacular unlimited form as the cosmic universe. Thus he conclusively establishes his divinity. Krishna explains that his own all beautiful human-like form is the original form of Godhead. One can perceive this form only by pure devotional service. तो इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे डिफरेंट फेथ्स के कारण लोग भगवान के कौन से फॉर्म्स और कौन से रूप में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, लेकिन जो सिंसियर डिवोटीज होते हैं वो भगवान को किस फॉर्म में रियलाइज करना चाहते हैं, कौन से फॉर्म पे मेडिटेट करना चाहते हैं, कौन सा भगवान का फॉर्म उनके हार्ट और माइंड को बहुत प्लीजिंग होता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, अब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 11. चैप्टर 11 का नाम है द यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म, विराट रूप. फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु आर जस्ट ज्वाइनिंग, अमित कुमार, हरे कृष्णा, कविता, शिवा, अमित तिवारी, आकाश पांडा, वेलकम. आपका सभी का अभिनंदन है. और इस वक्त छोटे से इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद I am going to start in Sanskrit and English translation, chapter 11 of Bhagavad Gita as it is. The universal form, text 1. Arjuna vacha mad anugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatma sangitam yatva yoktam vachastena mohoyam vigato mama. अर्जुन ने भगवान से क्या कहा? अर्जुन उवाच means Arjun said, by my hearing the instructions you have kindly given me about these most confidential spiritual subjects, my illusion has now been dispelled. So, श्रील प्रभुपाद बोलते हैं कि ये चैप्टर रिवील करेगा कि भगवान इज सर्व कारण कारणम, cause of all causes. He is even the cause of Mahavishnu, from whom all the material universes emanate. And Krishna is not an incarnation. He is the source of all incarnations. That has been completely explained in last chapter, chapter 10, जिसमें हमने भगवान की opulences और divine manifestations के बारे में पढ़ा कल recitation में. उसमें भगवान बता चुके हैं that Bhagwan Krishna himself is not an incarnation. He is a source of all incarnations. And Arjun ने अभी क्या बोला? All his illusion is over. This means Arjun no longer thinks Krishna is a human being. He understands Bhagwan is not a common person, but as a friend of his, he is the source of everything. So this is the state of living entity. जब living entity sincerely भगवान की भक्ति स्टार्ट कर देता है, then with the help of a genuine guru, उसके सारे डाउट्स डिस्पेल हो जाते हैं, इग्नोरेंस चली जाती है, डिल्यूजन्स हट जाते हैं और एनलाइटनमेंट मिलता है. और अर्जुन यहाँ बहुत खुश है that he has such a great friend as Krishna, but now he is thinking that although he may accept Krishna as source of everything, others may not. This is the reason Arjun asked this question to the Lord. So in order to establish Krishna's divinity for all, he is requesting Krishna in this chapter to show his universal form. आपको पता है अगर आप भगवान का इन आँखों से पहले तो देख ही नहीं पाएंगे विराट रूप, लेकिन in order to establish divinity for all, Arjuna has requested Bhagwan to show his universal form. And actually, Srila Prabhupada बोलते हैं, when one sees the universal form of Krishna, one may become frightened like Arjun. But Krishna is so kind. What did he do? That after showing his universal form, he again reverted back to his beautiful Sham Sundar form, original form, and Arjun agrees to what Krishna has several times said. Krishna is speaking to him for his benefit. So अर्जुन ने एडमिट किया एक्चुअली कि ये सब जो उसके साथ हो रहा है ये भगवान की कृपा से हो रहा है, भगवान की ग्रेस से हो रहा है. एंड ही इज कन्विंस्ड दैट कृष्णा इज सर्व कारण कारणम and is present in everyone's heart as super soul, परमात्मा. हमारे ध्यान में बहुत डाउट्स आते हैं जब भी हमें कुछ फिलॉसफी प्रेजेंट की जाती है या कुछ हमें एक्सेप्ट करना हो, तो ऐसे में हम अगर शास्त्र और साधु और वैष्णव इनकी हेल्प लेते हैं, ये सब सिंक में होना चाहिए, उससे हमें विश्वास आता है और हम उस पर फेथ करते हैं, ट्रस्ट करते हैं. टेक्स्ट 2. भवाप्ययो हि भूतानां श्रुतो विस्तरशो मया त्वता कमलपत्राक्ष महात्मायम् अविचव्ययम्. फ्रेंड्स, इस चैप्टर में लेट मी टेल यू देयर आर हाउ मेनी वर्सेस? 53 verses in this chapter. So that's quite a lot. So you know what? Today I will be commenting only on the very important verses. Actually there are 55 verses. So that we can have the coverage going smoothly and all of you can have the benefit of doing Shravanam of कृष्ण कथा. भगवान के वर्ड्स का हम श्रवण कर सकें, अपने हार्ट्स प्यूरिफाई कर सकें और भक्ति से बेनिफिट पा सकें. ओके, हरे कृष्णा. अभिषेक, प्रवीण, विष्णु, राजेश, हम आ रहे हैं टेक्स्ट 2. O lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity and have realized your inexhaustible glories. So, अर्जुन ने यहाँ पे भगवान को लोटस-आइड वन बोला क्योंकि कृष्ण भगवान की आंखें लोटस की पत्तियों के समान खूबसूरत हैं. And out of his joy, for Krishna has assured him in previous chapter that I am the source of for all the appearance and disappearance of entire material manifestation. So भगवान से अर्जुन ने ये सब डिटेल में ऑलरेडी सुन चुका है, अर्जुन सुन चुके हैं, लेकिन अर्जुन फर्दर जानना चाहते हैं कि इन स्पाइट ऑफ भगवान बीइंग सर्व कारण कारणम, सोर्स ऑफ ऑल अपीयरेंस एंड डिसअपीयरेंस, he is aloof from them. This is what Bhagwan said in previous chapter. And as the Lord said in the 9th chapter, he is all pervading. Bhagwan sarvyapi hai, yet he is not personally present anywhere, everywhere. That is the inconceivable opulence of the Krishna, which Arjun admits he has thoroughly understood. So अर्जुन ने भगवान को कंफर्म कर दिया, वो भगवान ने जो उसको टीचिंग्स दी हैं वो समझ में आ चुकी हैं. लेकिन हम सबके बेनिफिट के लिए फर्दर अर्जुन हैज रेज दिस क्वेश्चन. टेक्स्ट 3. एवमेतद् यथा तथा त्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर दृष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपमैश्वरम् दृष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम. I love these names of Lord Krishna and how Bhagwan addresses Arjun by different names. यहाँ देखिए, भगवान को पुरुषोत्तम एड्रेस किया गया है. English translation is, O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. So पिछले चैप्टर में भगवान के कॉस्मिक मैनिफेस्टेशन में भगवान कहाँ कहाँ कैसे कैसे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, हम उन्हें कैसे रियलाइज कर सकते हैं, इसकी टीचिंग्स थी। अब अर्जुन ने बोला कि मैं आपका फॉर्म देखना चाहता हूँ जिसमें आपने पूरे कॉस्मिक मैनिफेस्टेशन में एंटर किया है, वो कैसा फील होता है। आई वॉन्ट टू सी दैट फॉर्म। सो भगवान ने पहले अर्जुन को क्या कहा था? भगवान ने बोला था ही हैड एंटर्ड इनटू द मटेरियल यूनिवर्स बाय हिज पर्सनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। द कॉस्मिक मैनिफेस्टेशन हैज बीन मेड पॉसिबल एंड इज गोइंग ऑन। So now as far as Arjun is concerned, Srila Prabhupada बोलते हैं he is inspired by statements of Bhagwan, but in order to convince others in future who may think Krishna is an ordinary person, Arjun desires to see him in his universal form. Friends, मैंने एक ब्यूटीफुल लिस्ट प्रिपेयर की है क्वेश्चंस की। इस चैप्टर से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का हमें आंसर मिलेगा और मैं इस वक्त आपसे वो क्वेश्चंस शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आप चाहो तो वो नोट्स ले लो, चाहो तो जस्ट सुन के समझ लो एंड लुक आउट फॉर आंसर्स ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस इन दिस चैप्टर। सो इन दिस चैप्टर वर्स 1 to 3 is answering what benefit Arjun feels he has due to receiving Bhagwan's instructions and what does it mean? Why does Arjun ask Krishna to show his universal form and what is the inconceivable opulence of Krishna, which Arjun admits he has thoroughly understood. Now verses 4 to 7 में we will get the answers for why does Arjun plead for inconceivable grace of Krishna to see his universal form. आपने कभी वंडर किया है who can see the inconceivable form of Krishna, who can see the universal form of Krishna? Just hang on and you will get the answers. And what are the aspects of this universal form? Who all are there in the universal form? And how was Arjun able to see everything? Arjun के पास तो ordinary human eyes थी, right? How was he able to see this universal form of Krishna? Verse 8 में भगवान कृष्ण अर्जुन को बताएंगे, एक्चुअली उसको दिव्य चक्षु देंगे ताकि वो यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म दे सके, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है। एंड व्हाई आर द डिवोटीज हु आर करेक्टली सिचुएटेड इन ब्यूटिफुल लविंग रिलेशनशिप विद कृष्णा अट्रैक्टेड बाय, व्हाई आर दे अट्रैक्टेड बाय लविंग ब्यूटिफुल फॉर्म ऑफ कृष्णा बट नॉट द गॉडलेस डिस्प्ले ऑफ ऑपुलेंसेस? व्हाई डिड कृष्णा गिव अर्जुन द नेसेसरी पावर टू सी हिज यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म? जिनको गीता की नॉलेज है या जो अभी सुन रहे हैं इतना डेप्थ में, वो जरूर ये वंडर करेंगे कि भगवान ने अर्जुन को पावर ही क्यों दिया कि यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म देख पाए। एंड हु आर द टू पर्सनालिटीज हु आर एबल टू सी द यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म ऑफ कृष्णा? प्लीज कमेंट लेटर ऑन एज वी गो थ्रू द वर्सेस। आप वहाँ पे आंसर लिखिए कि ऐसी दो कौन सी पर्सनालिटी हैं जो भगवान के यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म को देख पाई पूरे एंटायर नरेशन में। Which verses describe Krishna's universal form? Okay? और धृतराष्ट्र को भगवान का यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म कौन बता रहा है? तो इस तरह से we will get several answers in this chapter. In addition to that, भगवान अर्जुन को फिर याद दिलाएंगे कि he should make a proper choice after listening to the teachings in accordance with the desire of Supreme Lord. Friends, it's very important to understand भगवान की विल क्या है, भगवान क्या चाहते हैं, हम अपने चॉइसेस और डिसीजंस कैसे लें, क्या पैरामीटर होना चाहिए जिससे कि हम समझें हमने राइट चॉइस की है, एंड हाउ वी शुड लर्न टू लिव दिस लाइफ एंड हैव अ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ गॉड्स प्लान। हम अपनी लाइफ में सुख दुख हैप्पीनेस डिस्ट्रेस हर तरह की सिचुएशंस के थ्रू जाते हैं और अक्सर हम ये वंडर करते हैं भगवान का प्लान क्या है, व्हाट डज गॉड वांट मी टू डू इन दिस सिचुएशंस। सो व्हाट इज अर्जुन्स मूड आफ्टर सीइंग द यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म एंड व्हाट डज ही से टू भगवान? वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दीज आंसर्स इन दिस चैप्टर। एंड देन Arjun also offers prayers after seeing Bhagwan's universal form. उसके बाद Arjun also asks for forgiveness. Now, I'm giving you a very high level question sheet right now what we are going to learn in this chapter. What is the importance of receiving Gita in Parampara? Yesterday we talked about it. Why it's so important to understand Bhagavad Gita teachings in disciplic succession. And how are Bhagwan's activities different from that of others or souls' activities? Why does Arjuna express to see the four-armed beautiful Shyam Sundar form of Krishna after seeing the universal form? What is the benefit of knowing Krishna and his relationship to several other forms? And what is the constant feature in all the incarnations of Bhagwan? ये बात तो समझनी बहुत ही जरूरी है, क्योंकि जो लिविंग एंटिटी भगवान के अपीयरेंस और डिसअपीयरेंस का राज समझ जाता है, he is on the perfect path of bhakti yoga. What can be understood about the universal form of the Lord? उसके बाद भगवान ने ये भी बताया है कि यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म डिवाइन विजन से क्यों देखा जा सकता है. हु कैन हैव डिवाइन विजन, हु इज अ डेमिगॉड. भगवान ने चैरिटी और पायस एक्टिविटीज के बारे में भी बताया है. एंड एज यूजुअल सारे चैप्टर्स का कॉमन टॉपिक है डिवोशनल सर्विस, परफेक्ट स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज. सो वी विल लर्न हाउ कैन वी अटेन परफेक्ट स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज. टुवर्ड्स द एंड हमें ये पता चलेगा कि व्हाट आर द रीजंस दैट कृष्णा शोड अर्जुन फर्स्ट हिज यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म एंड देन हिज फोर आर्म्ड फॉर्म एंड देन टू आर्म्ड फॉर्म. तो भगवान ने पहले विराट रूप दिखाया, फिर फोर आर्म्ड फॉर्म दिखाया, फिर टू आर्म्ड फॉर्म दिखाया. एंड व्हाई आर द डिवोटीज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन सीइंग यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म ऑफ द लॉर्ड? Who is qualified to see the beautiful two-armed form of Bhagwan? Now, भगवान कृष्ण अर्जुन को ये भी बताते हैं कि उनका two-armed form और भी ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंशियल नॉलेज है, और भगवान की बॉडी के 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताए गए हैं इस चैप्टर में. सो बेसिकली what we understood in chapter 7 about the absolute, further इस चैप्टर में भगवान बोलेंगे this is the knowledge about absolute truth. But we should understand, भगवान ने ये भी शेयर किया है, श्रील प्रभुपाद के पर्पट्स में ये भी बताया गया है कि it is very difficult and rare to see two-armed form of Krishna. So this chapter will give us further insight into understanding Krishna, further insight to understand how can we understand Krishna and what is the direct path to do that, and what kind of worship is the best way to worship Krishna, and why are the pure devotees in love with Krishna in different transcendental relationships and they are not attracted by universal form of the Lord. Last में, सबसे end में, conclusion में भगवान ने भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को कहा कि why should one's activities be in such a way so as to reach Krishna? हमें इसके आंसर मिलेंगे कि what should be the goal of the devotee of the Lord. Hare Krishna. So I hope you liked this quick overview of the entire chapter. Now let's go back to verse number, we were on verse number 3. So एवमेतद्यथात्मत्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर दृष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपमेश्वरं पुरुषोत्तम. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. So Arjun has raised this question to Krishna. Text 4. मन्यसे यदि तच्चक्यं मया दृष्टुमिति प्रभो योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानमव्ययम्. Translation: If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, O my Lord, O Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal self. अब भगवान अर्जुन को रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे और फर्दर इंसाइट देंगे। टेक्स्ट 5 फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग चैप्टर 11 कर रहे हैं भगवद गीता एज इट इज का। वी आर ऑन टेक्स्ट 5। श्री भगवान उवाच पश्य मे पार्थ रूपाणि शतशोऽथ सहस्रशः नानाविधानि दिव्यानि नानावर्णाकृतीनि च। The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, My dear Arjun, O son of Pritha, see now my opulences, hundreds of thousands of varied, divine and multicolored forms. So, Prabhupada बोलते हैं कि the universal form of Krishna, it's not possible to be seen by any ordinary man. Krishna must give the power to see it. Text 6. पश्यदित्यान् वसून् रुद्रान् अश्विनौ मरुतस्तथा बहूनि अदृष्टपूर्वाणि पश्याश्चर्याणि भारत. O best of Bharatas, see here the different manifestations of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini Kumars and all other demigods. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard before. Now Krishna is revealing all these wonderful forms to Arjun. Text 7. Ihakastham jagat krishnam pashyad sacharacharam mama dehe gudakesha yachanya drudushtumichhasi. O Arjun, whatever you wish to see, behold at once in this body of mine. This universal form can show you whatever you not desire to see and whatever you may want to see in future. Everything moving and non-moving is here completely in one place. So by mercy of Krishna, Bhagwan ki kripa se, Arjun is able to see the Virat Roop. Text 8. Na tu mam shakyase drushtum aneneva न तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव स्वचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षु पश्य मे योगमेश्वरम्. Translation: But you cannot see me with your present eyes, therefore I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence. So, an important point Prabhupada makes here is a pure devotee does not like to see Krishna in any other form except two-hand form. So, a devotee must see universal form of Bhagwan with Bhagwan's kripa, by his grace, not with the mind but with spiritual eyes. And to see the universal form of Krishna, Arjun is told not to change his mind but his vision. The universal form of Krishna is not very important. That will be clear in subsequent verses. Yet, because Arjun wanted to see it, the Lord gives him the particular vision required to see that universal form. So friends, अभी हम universal form के बारे में और information लेंगे, लेकिन at this stage we must understand कि जब your heart has pure devotion, then all you are interested in is to see the beautiful two-armed Shyam Sundar form of Bhagwan. But because devotees who are correctly situated in transcendental relationship with Krishna are attracted by loving features, not by godless display of opulences. Okay? So even if you remember, भगवान की लीलाओं में है कि किस तरह से ब्रजवासी जो छोटे छोटे ग्वाल बाल थे भगवान के अराउंड बैठ के उनके साथ क्रीड़ाएं करते थे, खेलते थे, खाते थे. They never wanted Krishna to show his opulences. They were so immersed in pure love that they do not even want to know that Krishna is Bhagwan himself. And in their loving exchange, they forgot that Krishna is Bhagwan. So, भागवतम में ये भी बताया गया कि भगवान के साथ जो ग्वाल बाल खेलते थे वो बहुत ही highly elevated pure souls थे. And after many births, they are able to play with Krishna. And ऐसे devotees को ये नहीं पता है कि कृष्णा स्वयं भगवान है, वो तो भगवान को एक पर्सनल फ्रेंड की तरह लेते हैं। इसलिए यहाँ पे ये टीचिंग्स हैं कि इवन दो भगवान का यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म है, क्योंकि वो अट्रैक्ट करता है बहुत से लोगों को, लेकिन जिनके हृदय में प्योर भक्ति आ जाती है वो भगवान के टू आर्म फॉर्म में ही प्लेजर लेते हैं, उसी फॉर्म को मेडिटेट करना चाहते हैं और उसी फॉर्म को सर्व करना चाहते हैं। So devotees are not that interested in the Vishwaroop form of Bhagwan, the universal form, but Arjun wanted to see, to substantiate Bhagwan's statement so that in future people like us can understand that Krishna is not theoretically or philosophically presented himself as supreme, but actually he presented himself as such to Arjun. And Arjun must confirm this because Arjun is the beginning of Parampara system. So those who are understanding, those who are interested in understanding the Supreme Personality of Godhead Bhagwan and who follow in the footsteps of Arjun should understand that Krishna not only theoretically presented himself as Bhagwan but actually revealed himself as Supreme. So भगवान ने अर्जुन को required power दिया for the vision, to be able to see his universal form, even though he knew Arjun did not want to see it. And this has been already explained. Text 9. Sanjay uvacha evam muktva tato rajan mahayogeshwaro hari darshayamasa parthaya Param Rupameshwaram. Sanjay said, O king, having spoken thus, the Supreme Lord of all mystic power, the Supreme Personality of Godhead displayed his universal form to Arjun. अब टेक्स्ट 10 और 11 के पॉइंट पे हम आ गए हैं जब भगवान ने अपना ब्यूटीफुल मैजेस्टिक विराट रूप अर्जुन को दिखाया. So text 10 and 11 are together. अनेक वक्र नयनम अनेक भूता दर्शनम अनेक दिव्याभरणम दिव्यानेकोद्यातयाद्युधम दिव्यमलयम्बराधरम दिव्यगन्धानुलेपनम सर्वाश्चर्यमयं देवम् अनन्तं विश्वतोमुखम्. Translation. Arjun saw in that universal form unlimited mouths, unlimited eyes, unlimited wonderful visions. The form was decorated with many celestial ornaments and bore many divine unpraised weapons. He wore celestial garlands and garments, and many divine scents were smeared all over his body. All was wondrous, brilliant, unlimited, all expanding. Hare Krishna. Hiru Singh, Hari Bol. So now we come to text 12. So भगवान इस समय अर्जुन को अपना विराट रूप दिखा रहे हैं. दिवि सूर्य सहस्रस्य भावेद्युगापत् उत्थिता यदि भी सदृशी सा स्यात् भाषास्तस्य महात्मना. If hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into the sky, their radiance might resemble the effulgence of Supreme Person in that universal form. So Arjun is looking at this dazzling universal form of Bhagwan. Text 13. Tatraikastham jagat krishnam pravibhaktam anekada apashyad deva devasya sharire pandavas tada. At that time, Arjun could see in that universal form of Bhagwan the unlimited expansions of universe situated in one place, although divided into many, many thousands. So, text 14. Tata sa vishmayavishto hashtaroma dhananjaya pranamya shirsha devam kritanjalir bhashata. Then, bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjun bowed his head to offer obeisances, and with folded hands he began to pray to Supreme Lord. सो भगवान का इतना dazzling फॉर्म देख के अर्जुन was astonished and then he was bewildered and then he bowed his head and he started to offer prayers. So once Prabhupada बोलते हैं कि once the divine vision is revealed, the relationship between Krishna and Arjun changes immediately. So इसके पहले कृष्ण और अर्जुन का फ्रेंडशिप का रिलेशनशिप था, but here now Arjun is offering obeisances with great respect and with folded hands he is offering prayer to Krishna. और भगवान क्या है? भगवान करुणा सिंधु है. He is an ocean of mercy. He is an ocean of relationships, exchange between two living entities and between gods or between the Supreme Lord and his devotees. So Arjun इस वक्त wonderstruck है, okay? And his natural loving friendship is overwhelmed by wonder, and that's why he reacted in this way. Text 15. Now, what does Arjun say? Arjun is offering prayers to Bhagwan. What does he say? Pashyami devastvadevdehe sarvastatha bhutavesha sangaghan brahmanmisham kamalasanastha mushimscha sarvanuragash divyan. Arjun said, my dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower as well as Lord Shiva and all the sages and divine serpents. So Arjun is going to share now what all he sees, because he's seeing everything in the universe in that vision of Bhagwan. Okay? And how is all this possible? This is possible by grace of Supreme Lord Krishna. Text 16. Anek bahudar vaktra netram pashyami tvam sarvatonantarupam nanatam na madhyam na punastavadim pashyami vishveshwaram vishvarupa. O Lord of the universe, O universal form, I see in your body many, many arms, bellies, mouths and eyes expanded everywhere without limit. I see in you no end, no middle and no beginning. Friends, we are discussing the teachings in chapter 11, the universal form. और इसमें I am reading the English translation followed by the Sanskrit verses. मीना राणा, हरे कृष्णा, चंदा चौहान, आपका स्वागत है. Please join us in the chapter recitation. So this purport says, Srila Prabhupada बोलते हैं, Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead and is unlimited. Thus, through him, everything could be seen. भगवान ने अर्जुन को divine vision दिया, so Arjun is able to see the universal form of Bhagwan. Text 17. Kiritinam gadinam chakrim cha tejo rashim sarvato diptimantam pashyami tvam duniriksham samanta Deeptan larka dyutim aparameyam. Translation. Your form is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence spreading on all sides like blazing fire or the immeasurable radiance of the sun. Yet, I see this glowing form everywhere adorned with various crowns, clubs and discs. These are the different things. Arjun is astonished, he is amazed, he is wonderstruck, and he is offering prayers to Bhagwan with folded hands. And he's saying it's difficult to see because of the glaring effulgence. इतना तेज निकल रहा है इस फॉर्म में, in all directions like blazing fire. Okay, friends. So we are on chapter 11. Okay. All right. We are reading now verse number 18. Tvam aksharam paramam veditvayam tvamasya vishwarasya param nidhanam Tvamam avyaya shashvata dharma gupta sanatanastvam purushottamato me. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the ultimate resting place of all this universe. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of eternal religion, the personality of Godhead. This is my opinion. So अर्जुन ने क्या किया भगवान के यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म के विजन पर दर्शन पे? He folded hands, he prayed, and he is giving his opinion by offering prayers. Text 19. Anadim dhyayantarviryam anadim adhyatam anantaviryam anantabahum shashi surya netram pashyami tvam deeptahuta shvaktram swatejasa vishwamidam tapantam. You are without origin, middle or end. Your glory is unlimited. You have numberless arms, and the sun and the moon are your eyes. I see you with blazing fire coming forth from your mouth, burning this entire universe by your own radiance. भगवान की तो 6 opulences full में हैं. That is why Krishna is Bhagwan. So Srila Prabhupada कहते हैं there is no limit to the extent of 6 opulence of Supreme Personality of Godhead. So it is said that at a time of such bewilderment, of great ecstasy, statements are repeated over and over by Arjun. Text 20. Dhyave prithviyoridam anantaram hi vyaptam tvayakena dishascha sarva drishtavadvutam rupamugra dvavedam lokatrayam pravyathitam mahatman. Translation. Although you are one, you spread throughout the sky and the planets and all space between, O Great One. Seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary systems are perturbed. Text 21. Friends, there are 55 verses. We are studying, we are understanding the Virat, the universal form of Bhagwan Krishna, जो कुरुक्षेत्र के बैटलफील्ड पे अर्जुन को जिसका विजन मिला था. सो टेक्स्ट 21. अमीहि त्वां सुरसंघा विशन्ति केचिद्दीता प्रजलयो गुणन्ति स्वसतीत्युक्त्वा महर्षि सिद्धसंघा स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुति पुष्कलाभि. All the hosts of demigods are surrendering before you and entering into you. Some of them, very much afraid, are offering prayers with folded hands. Hosts of great sages and perfected beings, crying, all peace, are praying to you by singing Vedic hymns. See, Arjun is seeing even all demigods and what they are doing in Bhagwan's Virat Roop, in Bhagwan's universal form. So Arjun is praying for protection. भगवान का ये बहुत ही dazzling and effulgent form है. Text 22. रुदादित्य वसवो ये सचा साध्या विश्वश्विनो मरुच्छोष्म पाश्च गंधर्वयक्षासुर सिद्ध संघा वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे. Translation. All the various manifestations of Lord Shiva, the Adityas, the Vasus, Sadhyas, Vishwadevas, the 2 Ashvis, the Maruts, the forefathers, the Gandharvas, the Yakshas, the Asuras, and the perfected demigods are beholding you in wonder. Text 23. Ritam Chatterjee, Hare Krishna. Friends, those of you who are joining at this time, we are reciting chapter 11, the universal form, and we are on verse 23 right now. So please join us. This is a very auspicious activity. We are engaging our mind, heart, and senses in bhakti right now. Rupam mahate bahuvaktra netram mahabaho bahubahu rupapadam bahudaram bahudrashtakaralam drishtavaloka pravyasthitatasthaham tathaham. Translation. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form, with its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth, and as they are disturbed, so I am. So Arjun is feeling disturbed here. और भगवान को प्रेयर्स में वो एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. टेक्स्ट 24. नभस्पृशं दीप्तमनेकवर्णं व्यात्ताननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रं दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विदामि शमं च विष्णु. O all-pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, your gaping mouths and your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind. So Arjun has expressed in his prayers to Bhagwan that he is feeling fearful looking at the universal form of Bhagwan. Text 25. दृष्ट्वा करालानि चैते मुखानि दृष्टवैव कलानलसन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्म प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. हरे कृष्णा. चिन्मय रॉय, प्रवीणा जैन, प्रशांत दलाई, हरे कृष्णा. We are on text number 25. I am reading the English translation. O Lord of the Lords, O refuge of the worlds, please be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance seeing thus your blazing death-like faces and awful teeth in all directions. I am bewildered. Arjun is so fearful and bewildered and astonished looking at Bhagwan's universal form. भगवान का विराट रूप देख के अर्जुन बहुत हैरान है और भगवान को प्रेयर्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं. शुभ्रा, नीता, संघवी, हरे कृष्णा. टेक्स्ट 26-27. अमी च त्वां धृष्टरास्य पुत्रा सर्वे सहैवावनिपाल संगै भीष्मो द्रोण सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यै वक्त्राणि ते त्वर्माणा विशन्ति दृष्टां करालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्न दशानान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गै. Hare Krishna. These were verses 26-27 of chapter 11 of Bhagavad Gita, the universal form. Hare Krishna Suman, Shilpi Sharma, Hare Krishna. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and our chief soldiers also, are rushing into your fearful mouths, and some I see trapped with heads smashed between your teeth. So भगवान का इतना एकदम बड़ा मैजेस्टिक फॉर्म देख के अर्जुन इज फीलिंग वेरी फेयरफुल. ओके, एंड सो सारे वॉरियर्स के बारे में नाउ अर्जुन इज हैविंग सम थॉट्स. And Srila Prabhupada says that not only will the great warriors of other party like Bhishma will be smashed, but some great warriors of Arjun's side also. Okay, so Arjun sees the leaders of the opposite party, Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and sons of Dhritarashtra and their soldiers, and Arjun's old soldiers are all being destroyed. This is an indication that after the death of nearly all persons who have assembled in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjun will come out victorious. So even the unconquerable Bhishma, he will be destroyed. So text 28. यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगा समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा त्वामी नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राण्यभिविज्वलन्ति. As the many waves of rivers flow into the ocean, so do all these great warriors enter blazing into your mouths. Arjun is offering these prayers to Bhagwan Krishna when he sees with the divine vision, when he has the darshan of Bhagwan's universal form. Friends, we are on verse number 29. So Arjun says, I see all the people rushing full speed into your mouths as the moths dash to destruction in blazing fire. Text 30. Lelihase grasmana samanta lokan samagran vidaner jalanbhi tejo bhir apurya jagat samagram भाषस्तवोग्रा प्रतापन्ति Vishnu. Oh Vishnu, what does Arjun say? Oh Vishnu, I see you're devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouths, covering all the universe with your effulgence. You are manifest with terrible, scorching rays. So friends, हमने वर्स नंबर 30 तक कर ली है इस चैप्टर में. इस चैप्टर में 55 वर्सेस हैं. This is a very long chapter and it's almost an hour now. So we will continue this chapter next time. I will try to do maybe after a couple of hours or maybe tomorrow depending on my availability. So इस वक्त हम इस चैप्टर में भगवान के यूनिवर्सल फॉर्म के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से भगवान ने अपनी कृपा से अर्जुन को डिवाइन विजन दिया. He gave him the divine vision out of his grace and Bhagwan, and Arjun is able to see, have the darshan of the universal form of Bhagwan, though heart of hearts he is a devotee and he loves the two-armed form of Bhagwan. But ये भगवान की लीला है. There is a reason भगवान universal form दिखा रहे हैं. There is a reason भगवान shows the universal form in the battlefield. Only 2 people were able to see it. Please comment who are those 2 people. And then Bhagwan will eventually show his 4-armed form and then 2-armed form. Eventually, through Prabhupada's purport, we understand that Bhagwan is trying to bring us all to that platform where we can understand that devotees are not distracted by different forms of Bhagwan, but they love to have darshan of 2-armed form of Bhagwan, which they can serve. उस 2-armed श्याम सुंदर भगवान से devotees loving exchanges करते हैं. And this is the sum and the summary of this whole chapter. And as usual, Bhagwan has been giving the beautiful transcendental knowledge, the real knowledge that we should all engage in bhakti. We should make an effort with sincerity, with firm determination, with association of devotees. We should try to make spiritual advancement in this path, because human birth is a very rare birth, and one who takes to bhakti of Bhagwan without any doubt in his heart and mind, he comes to the point of full surrender, and that is the message in Bhagavad Gita, as we will eventually see and learn. And in Brahma Samhita, it is stated that those who are attached to the 2-armed form of Bhagwan, the Shyam Sundar Bhagwan, in love and devotion, can see him always in the heart and cannot see anything else. So that is the ultimate purport in this chapter. But we will come back again either after a couple of hours or tomorrow, and we will finish this chapter up to verse 55. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful evening in Krishna consciousness. Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srila Bhagavad Pad ki jai, Anant Koti Vaishnav Vind ki jai. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Rita Shukla, शुभ अग्रवाल, ललित वासुदेव, लोकेश गुप्ता, आप सब ने अभी भी ज्वाइन किया है. हमने ये चैप्टर की 30 वर्सेस कर ली हैं. आई होप यू कैन ज्वाइन फॉर द फर्दर रीडिंग, बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट योर प्रेजेंस. रेखा राज, जानवी कट्टी, हरे कृष्णा, अमोल सालुंके, मुकेश, राजीव, हरे कृष्णा.